Alright.
Or here for all B and A gates, terminal, ground transportation, and baggage claims.
So I think...
No boarding at this position. Trains and stations that come from
A train is arriving. Please keep clear for passengers exiting the train.
There's the train. Modified the cabs in these again. Alright, we just gotta wait for the doors to close. Yeah, they replaced the handrails.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all B gates.
Hopefully this train car is smoother than the last one. Purple lights there. I've never understood what they were for. This train car is definitely smoother than the last one. Still rough, but better.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all B gates. Exit here for all B gates.
Yeah, I can move over a little bit, I guess. Sorry about the shaking there.
Please watch your step.
There's gonna be a few more people hopping on B.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all A gates.
There we go. See if I can... Alright, we're getting off on A as usual.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all
Yep.
A gates.
Here we are in A.
Exit here for all A gates.
Get off here and then we'll watch this one leave.
Please watch your step.
Alright, here, let's watch this train leave.
The doors are closing. This train is departing.
The doors are closing.
And, something new that they've added. They changed the displays to LCDs, and they have a next train timer on the displays now, even though it doesn't look like it's hooked up yet, but should be in due time. So we'll just watch. They need to replace the speakers on these too. And they haven't finished replacing all those displays yet. They're still working on it. Sometime I'm gonna hit the top and I'm gonna have to get off here, so should have taken the elevator. Hey, we could take the elevator. Alright. I could make this a double video, maybe. I don't like holding my camera over the edge. Yeah, we could take the elevator up, but we We can also just walk. Saying to Concourse tour. Probably just gonna film the walk across the bridge. See if there's a 747 that we can see from the bridge today.
Look at that panda.
A40 to A99. They still have those gate signs going all the way to 99. Top. Hey, look at that. They're installing something over there. They're installing something over there. Do you see the glass? Over back on the other side of the concourse over there. I haven't done one of these.
The hotel now?
Yeah. I haven't done one of these bridge walkway videos for a few months. Trying to hold it as stable as I can, but it's kind of difficult, so I'm sorry about that. Gotta ride those freight elevators over. I'll look at them there. I think, yeah, there's a freight elevator over there. Right over there's a freight elevator. Gotta ride that sometime. It's a very huge elevator. They got the Indian music playing again.
Look at that. There's Delta.
Oh, Delta moved to A. Oh, they took Southwest's old gates. No. Southwest had a few on A before the Concourse C expansion. I don't know. Yep. We'll look into the walkway. Oh, they changed the carpeting in here too. I hate it how they have the same carpeting throughout the whole airport now. Makes it look really gray. There's a sign there. Airport's office building. I think that's 8 stories. Yep. Leaving the secure zone. Yep, whoa, that's very sudden ending. Boarding pass and ID. For re-entry. Right, we officially left the secure zone. There's the airport's office building right there. Got a lot of fans around here. Not really sure why. Makes my hair a mess. It's kind of funny actually that they have really big fans. Probably because of the amount of heat in this area of the airport. They used to have moving walkways that went up to there, forcing people into the security area. Got quite crowded. Yep, and outside there's the roof. It's not really that big of a thing there. Here's where the moving walkways are now. We aren't actually going to take those. You can see their little art thing. Random little designs. I could have drawn that one. Don't know about that one, but yeah, some of these are pretty complex, these little art things they've got. Some of it looks really, really simple. Some of it looks like stuff a 2-year-old could have made. But these are actually more complex looking than not. There's some more pictures there. design stuff. Alright. Now we're back out in the terminal. Again. Yep, so I guess now that we're in the terminal, eventually, you won't even be able to get there without having to go through security. They're changing the layout here in another 2, 3, maybe 4 years. So, that'll definitely be interesting. And in just a minute, I'm probably going to end this video right here. It's at like 10 minutes, so that's it.